Hi, let me introduce the sampler. The goal of this video is to tell you what this invention is, how it works, and to get some feedback from friends and fellow fossickers. The sampler is a pipe metal detector built into a portable, handheld, rugged enclosure. Dry material is poured through the funnel, and a sampler detects metal particles as they pass through. It analyzes and reports hits as either ferrous metal or gold. The sampler is designed to be an aid for prospectors by allowing them to quickly determine if a sample of soil contains any gold. It's not a replacement for existing equipment. It's a new, additional piece of kit that saves time and improves outcomes for people who are currently using either a metal detector or a pan. Panning needs water, so in dry environments you either wait for the occasional rain, you carry water to site, or you carry dirt back to water. This is where the sampler can save a lot of time and effort, allowing the prospector to reject samples that do not contain any gold. Panning for gold takes many hours to perfect, and even a professional and experienced person will take around 3 minutes per pan to get to the reveal. The sampler can better than halve that time and give you more information. Even the best modern metal detectors have a minimum gold particle size of around 30 milligrams, and that's only if it's right at the surface. My sampler prototype can detect down to around 5 milligrams reliably, and I'm trying to push that number down to around 2 milligrams. Now think about this scenario. Once a fossicker finds a nugget with a metal detector, they dig the nugget out, fill in a hole, and move on. I think the new approach with the sampler will be to process the dirt that was around the nugget to see if there were other small pieces of gold in the same location. My guess is that people are currently leaving a lot of gold in the hole. The sampler is simple to use. Pay dirt is collected, classified using a 3mm sieve. The sampler is taken out and the funnel is attached. The material is then poured through the sampler and into a container. If the sampler reports gold, you can continue to collect more for later cleanup using a pan or a sluice. If the report's negative, you can discard the material and move on without wasting your time or water. The companion app allows for setup, control, and reporting. It connects to the sampler using Bluetooth. The main screen allows you to arm or put the sampler to sleep. It also shows you the details of the current session, including the number of hits and type, and the estimated weight of gold. Sessions can be saved with GPS locations and uploaded to email. This allows a fossicking trip to be documented for later review. The app can be previewed via the QR code. I'm a part-time fossicker and I know how to swing a metal detector and how to pan, but I'm definitely not an expert. Now that I have a working prototype and an app, I'd like to find some professional fossickers to do some field testing and to get their feedback. If you'd like to join this project, please let me know. Thank you.